In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add location in Google Maps permanently. If a place you know is missing from the map, adding it helps everyone find accurate directions, contact details, and trustworthy information. I'll walk you through the exact process on a computer, and I'll share practical tips so your suggestion is more likely to be approved and stay on the map. Start by opening Google Maps on your PC in your web browser. Give the page a moment to load, and zoom into the area where the place belongs. Getting the right region on your screen now will make the next steps faster and more precise. Look to the top left corner of the map and click the menu icon, the three horizontal lines that open the side panel. From there, choose Add a Missing Place. This opens a form where you'll provide the essential information Google needs to validate and display the place. Enter the place name exactly as it appears in the real world. Use the official, publicly visible name and avoid extra words or promotional phrases. Before you move on, it's smart to quickly search the map to make sure the place isn't already listed under a slightly different spelling. Avoiding duplicates helps your edit get approved. Now add the address and confirm the location on the map. Type the full street address, including city and postal code if available, and then place the map pin precisely where the entrance is. You can zoom in closely and switch to satellite or street view to line up the pin with the doorway or main access point. Accuracy here is crucial for good directions. Choose the correct category that best describes what the place is. Start typing a word that fits and pick the most specific match from Google's suggestions. A clear, relevant category helps people discover the place through search and ensures it's treated correctly on the map. Add helpful details like the official phone number or website if you know them. Use the main public contact line and the primary website URL. If you're not sure, it's better to leave a field blank than to guess. Only include information that's publicly available and appropriate to share. When everything looks accurate, click Submit. Your addition is a suggestion that Google reviews, so it may take some time to appear. High-quality, clearly documented entries are more likely to be approved and remain visible. That's the complete process for adding a location to Google Maps permanently. Take a moment to double-check your details, and you'll help make the map more reliable for everyone.